Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE camera crashing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now go to settings and then after opening settings, scroll down and open apps. Now here in apps, click on this icon and here enable show system apps, and after that scroll down and here open camera. Now in camera, force stop the camera app, click on this force stop option and then click OK, and after that open storage and after opening the storage, clear the camera data and cache memory. Now go back and then open general management and in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now in reset, click on reset all settings and here again click on reset settings to confirm. Then enter the lock screen passcode.